Everything you're about to see is wrong. I'm doing it on purpose. This is what every new ham does in their first week. I got some screen time. I got my Baofeng.
Frequency mode.
Oh, I got some static. This looks like it's going to be promising. Hello, hello. This is KM9G. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Anybody there? This is KM9G. Anybody there? Hello. That's kind of how it goes like this sometimes. I don't know. Got to make a contact. We'll try again later. Made it into town. It's a little bit more of a busy place. And my radio is on. I don't hear that hissing static anymore. Maybe there'll be somebody this time. Hey, anybody out there? Anybody out there? This is KM9G. Anybody out there? Hello, hello, hello. KM9G. Anybody out there? Hello, hello. Maybe I should use some radio lingo on this thing. I don't know. This is KM9G. KM9G. Anybody got a copy? Nothing. Nothing at all. Maybe the problem was... Why, thank you. Maybe the problem was that it was too early in the morning. It's about 12:30 now. Hopefully people are out on their lunch break driving around. Let's see. Hey, anybody out there? This is KM9G. Let's try it this way. Hello, 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 hello. This is KM9G. Hello, hello, hello. Anybody there? Hello. Maybe I didn't spend enough money on a radio. Spending more money has always got to be the answer. Hey, hey, this is KM9G. Hey, hey. Hello, hello. Hey, hello. Hey, hey, hey. Anybody there? KM9G. Hey, hey, hey. It looks pretty when I do that. This is KM9G. Anybody around? Well, screw this hobby. If you're brand new, scroll the comments. You're going to see a bunch of very confident people explaining why this is wrong. That's good. That's how you learn. None of them were born with a silver microphone in their hand either. That's why my buddy Hayden, VK7HH, and KD9SSB over at Ham Radio DX created this course for you. I gotta tell you, this is what I wanted when I got into ham radio. I had grandiose visions of what ham radio was like. And basically, after you take the test, you have zero practical experience. And Elmers today are not what they used to be. You used to go to a ham radio club. People used to encourage you. They used to let you use equipment. It used to be something that was much more commonplace. And now you go to a ham radio club and it's a bunch of cranky old farts that can't stop telling you how wrong you are instead of telling you how to do it the right way. That's where Hayden's course comes in, and I hope that you can sign up for it and enjoy the hobby. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel and to Hayden's channel, because we're here to tell you that ham radio is fun and show you how it's fun instead of tell you how you're doing all kinds of things wrong. I've got links down in the description for you below of where to get access to this course that's going to take you from zero to hero. That's going to take you from what I did in the beginning of this video to a couple thousand contacts under your belt like I've got now after a couple of years playing ham radio and having a lot of fun and meeting a lot of new friends and making new friends is really what this has been all about for me. And after all of this, I know that if I get stuck somewhere and I've got my radio, I know how to use it to get help. That's actually the most important part. You can have a radio, and if you don't know how to make contacts with it, if you don't know where people are, then you don't know anything. Hopefully this will be a big help for you. Make sure you're subscribed for more fun videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for being awesome.